Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7 that is not starting. Okay, and we'll explain guys where you can expect to find the relay for the fuel injectors, fuel supply, and we'll also show you where the fuel pump relay is located. But if you guys hear your pump running but the car is still not starting and you're getting spark, you're getting fuel, okay, either it could be a high pressure fuel pump, but it could be just the relay for the injectors, and we'll show you guys where to find it and how to replace it. In the description of the video below you'll be able to see where we buy our relays from, so if you need to buy one you can check the link. Also guys, in addition we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know guys what you think and if the video was helpful. So let's go inside and I'm going to show you how this car will not start now. Okay, listen now. So car is not starting guys, but I can hear the fuel pump running. When you turn the key just for a little bit on until you see the lights on, you will hear the pump buzzing for about a second or two. And usually you can hear the pump under the vehicle, so we'll get somebody to turn the key on and off while I'm underneath, okay, to check if the pump is working. So let's turn it on and off. Okay, listen now. Okay, that pump is working, so we turn the key off, pull it out, and I'll show you guys what we need to check now, which relay, and we'll explain what else it could be. So when you open the hood, next to your car battery is your fuse box. You need to open it by prying that clip to the front, move the box cover front and then up. Okay, it comes out guys. The relay for the fuel injectors now, okay, let me show you guys, is located right here, and this is the relay for the fuel pump according to the manual. Fuel injectors right here, fuel pump right there. Our pump is working, so we're not worried about that, but the fuel injectors are not, so I'll grab it. Careful not to break those guys, they break super easy, to be honest with you. It doesn't take much to break one. Okay, and pull it out. If you want to see where we buy them guys, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. We'll have part numbers and all that. I'll go ahead, grab the new one now. Okay, we'll put it together and we'll see if that fixes our problem. So let me push it in, all the way good. Get your cover guys, okay, you need to get the cover. Make sure you install it, not to forget, lose it, because otherwise you'll get dust and humidity inside. So what I'll do now, I'll go inside and I'll try to start the car and see if that takes care of the problem now. So let me see now. Okay guys, no problems at all. So as you can see, that takes care of the problem. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.